Hey guys, we're back in the meeting room, and today we're going to take a look at how you can deploy digital signage throughout your office with Lifesize Share. Digital signage is a really great way to make use of all those screens around the office when they're not in use. Whether they're in the lobby or in your conference rooms, you can now automate displaying important messages on screen, thanks to our new integration with ScreenCloud. Digital signage is great for promoting internal programs like employee spotlights or open enrollment notifications, or even just scrolling through a series of helpful apps like a 7-day weather forecast. And it all starts with a Lifesize Share connected to your ScreenCloud account. Once connected, you simply add items to your content library to create rolling playlists for your screens. You can add your own custom images or slides, or pick from a growing collection of free apps designed to display news, weather, and social media feeds. You can use screens of different sizes and orientations, and you can even customize the signage layout to show multiple content sources at the same time. Inside the conference room, the Lifesize integration automates the switching back and forth between displaying the digital signage or switching over to your Lifesize conference room system. When your call starts, the digital signage moves to the background automatically, and when the call ends, it returns without having to change sources or interrupting your workflow. Now with the introduction of digital signage, Lifesize Share moves from a best-in-class wireless sharing device to a full meeting room automation solution. Hey, be sure to follow us on social media for all the latest product feature updates with Lifesize Share. And thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.